Alright guys, so we got a 2015 Mazda 3 hatch that we're going to be working on. We're going to be replacing the stock halogen bulbs on these turn signals. Alright, and we're going to be replacing it with the 7440 LED turn signals, okay? So, yeah, right now they're hyper flashing, and there is a way to fix this is by adding load resistors. But we don't like doing that because those things do get hot and they can warp plastic, damage plastic, and even damage wires. So customer was okay with this, so we're gonna be putting it on. But like you've seen in our previous videos, we are working on a new bulb that won't require that, and it'll work perfectly fine, okay? So for now, we'll show you how to install these. Alright guys, so to get to the passenger one, you still gotta remove what's gonna be 1, 2, 3 more screws. Actually, it's 4 of them, so there's one more down here. This will let you bring this flap down, and you can see already the cable hanging there. I have already removed the original bulb. Let's see if I can get a better view. Okay, and pretty much that washer reservoir is going to get in your way. It won't let it do like the driver's side, so you have to go through the underside, okay? And then pretty much the hole is in there. So we'll plug in the bulb, and once you untwist it off, take it off, and we'll put in the new one now, okay? Alright, so like always, test your lights before you complete them. So before you put everything back together, make sure they actually work. As you can see, it's flashing, everything's good, and we'll put this back into a socket, okay? Alright, so there you go guys, it's done, it's plugged in, it's working. Check it out. So these are complete. Pretty much reassemble everything else and you're pretty much good to go. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know, and we're more than happy to help you out. Okay, thank you. Bye. Beautiful morning, you're the sun of my morning bed.